How to add custom notifications sound on Google Chrome. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add a custom notification sounds for your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application from your device. In here, you will see notifications option. Tap open it, then tap on app notifications. You will see a list of all your application that is in your device. Simply search for Chrome, then tap onto the Chrome profile. You will see app notifications. In here, make sure that under alerts, it's allow sound and vibrations. Then tap on notification categories. As you do so, you will see under generals, you have toggled on all these notifications. In case you would like to toggle off notification for any of the specific sites, you can go ahead and do so by tapping on this respective sites. Go back. Now, in case you would like to make a custom changes for any of these, simply go ahead and tap onto their name. Then tap on any of these options. For example, if you would like to minimize your browser notifications, tap on minimize notifications for browser. That is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.